What's up, Kraken Bass Clan? It is fall fishing at Lake Powell. I've never been here before in the fall fishing. We've been out here for a couple days. I'm out here with my dad. He's one of the best. He's the reason I'm out here today. Grateful for him and the memories we have. Anyway, we've been out here for a couple days. It's been kind of tough. The water temperature's been dropping every day. It started out at like 66, and this morning now it's down to 63. But I think we've got a few things figured out, and I'm gonna walk you through a few different baits that if you wanna come out here and try, come out to Powell. It's been a lot of fun. We've caught about 20 bass a day so far, and hopefully we ramp that up today. So let's get stoked. Bah. One of the baits I've been using is this spook. This is a Megabass Dog X. It's a small one, and they seem to really like it. Usually what we're doing is if we find some shad schools, we'll throw this out and get one or two on it. Hasn't been the best bait of the trip, but it's been a fun one to throw. Oh, got him! Yeah, on the spook. Out in the deep. Not a big one. It's a little striper. Look at that. Little striper hit my spook. That's cool. I hate it when they get off. It's like the worst. Oh, got him! On the spook. Little spooker. Little largemouth. All right. There you go. Little spook's working. Oh, what's that bite? I got one. Yeah, right off that ledge. The Nico rig. Oh, it's a nice one too. Yeah, there's my best one this morning. He was right up along that ledge. Yeah. Nice smallie. Woohoo! Nico rig. Sweet little fish. Dad's cracking them. Cracking by. We found they're just deeper.
They're down 22, 30 feet deep. We found a little school right here between these 2 points, and we're whacking them.
Yeah, we've caught like 5 or 6. It's been a grind all morning, and then we found a little pocket where there was a bunch of them holding. Dad's using a drop shot. I've been throwing a brush hog on a Carolina rig and just caught a really nice one. There we go. Smallmouth is eating. See a shad in there. Look at his belly. In the fall they feed up. freaking get fat.
That's big. So, yeah.
Gonna try and pull it out and see. It is a fat something in there.
Oh, I can't get it out. It's tearing up. Almost looks like it might be a bluegill. It's a pretty good sized fish. Anyway.
That's cool. Hooked up on the brush hog. Woohoo! Dragging it deep. He's been hooked before. That's crazy. Carolina rig brushed hog. I got a 1/4 ounce weight. The bead, this is a tungsten weight and a swivel. And then I put a 10-pound mono line so it floats up a little bit. This is what I'm doing for drop shot. Little 4-inch cut tail worm. My dad's hooked up. You just get out a little deeper and you find them in the fall. I got a 1/4 ounce cylinder weight, and I've got a 1/0 kind of straight shank hook, and that's what I've been throwing. Look for these long rock fingers, and you just come out 30 feet deep, and that's where they are. Hey, that's a good one. $65.
Hey, what are those little, see the little pinholes underneath their lip? See those?
Yeah, those are weird.
What are they?
I don't know.
Cool. I thought you'd know. Boy.
Just thread that little cut tail worm on. Make sure you get it straight. There we go. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice one. I caught him over off that ledge over there. The good old cut tail worm, the first worm I ever drop shotted with at Lake Havasu. Ooh, this is a nice one. Hey, buddy. But he's not a giant. Ah, pretty. He's fat. Got a craw in his mouth. There's one. Nico rig. Nico'd him. Woohoo! There's a heavy one too. Oh my gosh, this is a nice one. Oh, they fight so hard. Pretty stripes. Golly, he's pulling. Wow, what a pretty bass. Fun. All right. Woohoo. Not a bad one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Nico'd him out. Well, we're gonna end on this guy. Pretty fun out here at Lake Powell in the fall. You just gotta move around till you find the fish, and once you find them, you know, they're there and they're fun to catch. So don't give up. Fall fishing is really fun. Topwater spook, Nico rig, and a drop shot. Those were the three best things for us. Caught a couple on a Carolina rig, but I'm gonna let this guy go, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go to the link for more details in the bottom. Grab you a pair of my Kraken Bass pliers and my weigh scale, and stay stoked. Special thanks to my dad for letting me come out with him today. We always have a good time. I've been coming out to Lake Powell for 20 years now, bass fishing. So anyway, hopefully these things will help you, and let's let this guy go.